What's going on, everybody? It's your girl SnkrMom back in the building, back with another review for you guys. Today I'm going to be reviewing the new Air Jordan 11 Low 72 and 10. Let's get into it.
This is FZ Music.
You got your nice black Jordan box that has Jordan on the top of the box with the red Jumpman symbol. On the side of the box it says Nike Air. Nothing on that side, but then we're going to get to the front of the box and it reads Air Jordan 11 Retro Low GS for grade school. And the colorway is black, gem red, white, and cell. Let's get into it. Opening up the box, you got this same little black tissue paper on the inside of the box. That's pretty much it for the inside. Nothing spectacular going on with the box. But let's get into the main ingredients of the video, and that is the Air Jordan Low 72 and 10. Alright, first of all, like I said, I love this shoe. It was a must-have for me because I don't have the highs, but the highs look the exact same way. Like, literally everything is the same except these just are lows. So if I would have had the highs, I probably wouldn't have went for the lows, but since I don't have them, I definitely had to go for these. Those came out back in 2015, so we're getting them again 2020 with the low top version, which is very nice to me. I like all the aspects of the shoe. Very nice details and good quality of the shoe. But let's get into the aspects of the shoe. You got this nice, I would say, patent leather going across all the way around. The shoe right here is like a translucent, so you can kind of see in between it when you see those little light glitter spots that goes all throughout the shoe right here on the top of the toe. You got this nice, just regular black shoestring, no extra shoestrings came with it. You got this nice overlay of, I would say this is a nice leather texture material coming up the sides of the shoe right here. It's very nice. You got your Jordan symbol right here in the red. Nice touch to the shoe. You got the nothing on the tongue, just a nice leather, tumbled leather on the top of your tongue right here. We're gonna read the back of the tongue that says inspired by the most historic season led by the greatest player ever, which they always mostly have all the Jordan shoes, which is nice. That's what the 72 and 10 stands for when 1995-96 season when not Lakers, when the Bulls went 72 and 10 and they won the championship that year. So that's what these shoes were inspired by. He wore 11s that whole season, so that's what the name of the shoe came from, which is a very nice thing. I think that's very nice touch, the way they made a shoe off of, everything he did, which was nice that season. We're gonna turn to the back of the shoe. You got this nice 23 right here on the heel, which is a nice touch to the shoe. Also, you got the little Jordan symbol right here in red on the back of the heel. Also around the whole shoe, you got this nice white rubber coming across the bottom of the shoe. You got your normal 11, Jordan 11 carbon fiber right here that's just black and red, which is nice. But then we got this nice milky bottom, which is nice, very nice. I like the way they made it, like a milky bottom. Usually it's like a more icy bottom on the 11s, but this right here is a more milky bottom, which looks very nice, brings the shoe out. Like I said, the shoe is pretty much just a black and white shoe, but I like it's just a plain and simple shoe, and I just like what it stands for. It's just, like I said, I love 11 lows. Like, I love 11s, but I like lows better than highs. That's just me. Everybody had their own preference. I know a lot of people like highs better than lows, so hate to each his own, but I like lows, so of course I had to get these right here. But yeah, like I said, just a very nice shoe, very nice simple shoe. I know everybody wasn't really going for these, especially if you had the highs. I could understand that would be no point, but this was, like I said, just a very nice shoe. It wasn't one of those shoes that was a must cop for everybody, so I know a lot of these are sitting, which is fine with me. Like I said, some people only go for shoes because other people like them. I go for shoes because I like them, and I like these. They're pretty easy to cop right now. They're probably in your local stores, just probably sitting, but they retail for grade school, retail for $135. They came out today, which is April. Today is May. What is it? May 14th today. So this is the day they came out. retail for $135. Men retail for $190. But yeah, this was the left shoe. So let's get to the right shoe. Looks the same as that way. You got that nice patent leather coming all the way across the shoe in that translucent color, so you can see straight through it. Which you had a nice little spickles of glitter going on throughout the shoe. It's just a nice extra touch to the shoe. You got this nice tumbled leather coming all the way down the shoe across the top of the shoe. Very nice. You got the regular black laces that they come with. You got your nice tongue, tumbled leather tongue, nothing on the tongue. And on the back of the shoe, when it reads the best season, what is that again? I can't remember. Inspired by the most historic season led by the greatest player ever, which they consider as Jordan. Just a very nice shoe. Like I said, just a very nice, simple shoe. Jordan 11s. You can never go wrong with a nice 11, especially a nice colorway. Black and white, you never can go wrong with that. You got a nice milky bottom going on the bottom of the shoe. And as you can see, you got that little Jumpman right here. Then, of course, you got your nice carbon fiber hint with the black and red carbon fiber. And then on the back of the heel, you got that 23. Then you got that Jordan symbol right there. Like I said, just a nice, simple shoe. Y'all let me know, did you try to go for these today? Did you cop or did you pass on them? I know today those 3s came out. The women, what they call them, Neapolitan 3s came out. I didn't go for those. I wasn't very fond of them. I mean, it just was a clean shoe, but I just didn't really go for those. So I didn't go for those. And then those Yeezys came out today also. Didn't go for those because I already had a similar colorway. So, but yeah, y'all let me know, did y'all go? What did you go for today? Did you go for these? Did you try to get them? Was you able to cop them? I think they sold out on Nike, of course, but I'm quite sure they're at pretty other retailers right now. And a lot of places were getting late shipment. So my local fitness line where I picked mine up at, they didn't have men's sizes. They only had grade school. So I don't know when the men's sizes will be coming in. So, but I know they did have grade school. So, and it was a full size run of this shoe. So you had the grade school, toddler, and the infant. So y'all just let me know down in the comments below. Did you go for these or did you pass on them? What you think about them? Continue to like, subscribe. If you're new to watching me, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you continue to watch my videos. Follow me on Instagram at SnkrMom1721. And yeah, that's pretty much all I got for y'all today. This was the Jordan 11 low 72 and 10. Y'all another 360. And yeah, that's all I got for y'all today. So until the next time, it's your girl SnkrMom. Peace.